Today, I will be introducing to you about the best credit cards in 2025. First, Chase Sapphire Preferred. If you love travel, this card's for you. It gives you a big sign-up bonus, flexible points you can use on flights or hotels, and solid travel protections. Next, Citi Double Cash. It's super simple. You get 2% cashback on everything. That's 1% when you buy and 1% when you pay it off, plus no annual fee. Third is the American Express Blue Cash Preferred. This one's perfect if you spend a lot on groceries and streaming. You get up to 6% cash back on those categories plus bonus cash back on gas. Then there's the DiscoverIt cashback. It has rotating 5% cashback categories every quarter like gas stations or restaurants, and it even matches all the cashback you earn in your first year. And finally, Capital One Venture X. If you travel a lot, this card gives you high rewards on all purchases, plus perks like airport lounge access to make your trips better. Quick tip: always check the annual fees and interest rates before applying. Pick the card that fits your lifestyle and spending habits. And that's it. The best credit cards for 2025 to help you earn and save smarter.